If you're watching this, you've probably heard about AI doing wild things on the internet. But did you know you can actually turn those AI tools into real income, and fast? Alright, let's jump straight in. The quickest way to do this is by building a YouTube channel that leverages AI for content creation for monetization. Sounds ambitious? Stick with me. First, you need a niche. Don't overthink it. AI itself, productivity hacks, tech reviews. Now, here's where AI flexes its muscles. ChatGPT Gemini can generate video scripts, research trending topics, even create catchy titles and thumbnails. You don't have to be a video editing genius either. Platforms like Descript Pictory let you convert your scripts into full videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and automatic captions. It's almost plug and play. Now, consistency is key. 1 video a week, minimum. Don't worry if you're not perfect. Just hit publish. Every time you upload, you learn. AI tools make it easy to tweak your approach based on what's working. Once you've got a handful of videos up, it's time to think about monetization. The obvious path is YouTube's partner program. Ads on your videos once you hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. But don't sleep on affiliate marketing. Find products or services your audience cares about. Add affiliate links in your video descriptions. You can use AI to research the best programs and even draft your pitches to brands. And here's the kicker. AI isn't just a shortcut, it's a multiplier. It helps you brainstorm, create, and optimize so you can focus on growing your channel and stacking up income streams. Quick recap. Pick your niche, use AI for research, content creation, upload consistently, monetize with ads, monetize with affiliates. Keep testing, keep learning, keep creating. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. So, are you ready to turn AI into income? Smash that subscribe button for more tips. Let's build something amazing together.